Hi guys, today I will clean, declutter and organize my fridge and I will share the entire process with you guys. So this is the before view and I will take you along as I organize my fridge. We bought this fridge few weeks ago but I didn't organize it purposely up until now as I wanted to use it first, find flaws and figure out better ways to organize this space before I finally do it. I realized that due to my height, I'm not able to use top shelf a lot, so I will not store frequently used items there. I also wanted to use the door shelves to store more food than just condiments. I will also share my weekly meal prep process very briefly and I will arrange everything in the fridge for coming week. I will link detailed meal plan and prep video in description box below for your reference. I have few videos there, so make sure to check them out. So let's get started with today's video. So I wanted to start with a clean slate, so I will empty the fridge, clean and declutter it and finally start to organize it. Once I have cleaned the shelves, I will place mats on them. I bought these from the reject shop for $2 each. Having a mat underneath will protect shelves from spills and will be easy to clean as and when required. I have bought groceries today, so I will do meal prepping side by side while I'm cleaning the fridge. First, I will make tomato gravy as it takes most amount of time to cook. I will also put the cooker to boil potatoes. While tomatoes and potatoes are cooking, I will clean the sink and prep to wash all the fruits and veggies. I prefer to wash carrots, cucumbers, celery sticks, and after washing, I will wipe them and store in a jar and place them in a spot which is easy to grab for a quick afternoon snack for kids. I will also wash fruits like apples, peaches, plums, etc. I won't be washing any berries before storing. Whenever I clean and rearrange the refrigerator, I try and use as many vegetables as I can that are unused from past week. So today I have heaps of carrots and also eggplant. So I will make eggplant curry tonight for dinner and also make gajar ka halwa. My kids would be very happy to find out that I have made gajar ka halwa for them. Also, to make it a little more healthy, I will add maple syrup instead of sugar in gajar ka halwa. There are other preps that I will do to extend the shelf life of fresh produce, like take chili heads off, otherwise it will reduce the shelf life. I will cut the roots of the coriander and store it in a container lined with paper towel. Paper towel helps absorb extra moisture, keeping coriander fresh and crisp. Also make sure to take any yellow leaves off as it will decay the other healthy leaves. I will cut sweet potato and store it, and I will use it tomorrow morning for breakfast. In next video, I will show you all the recipes that can be made from the meal prep I am showing you today. So make sure to subscribe to Mom and Me and turn the notifications on. When tomato gravy is ready, I will transfer it to a glass container and store it in the fridge once it's completely cool. I prefer glass containers over plastic ones. I love Decor brand meal prep containers, and that's what I am using here. These are very convenient as you can transfer them from fridge to the microwave or even the oven. Next, I will store potatoes in a container too. You can do so much if you have boiled potatoes on hand. Recipes in the next video as I mentioned earlier. My son, he's just like me. He does not like plain milk but loves flavored milk, and especially if it's a saffron milk. He just loves saffron milk. Anyway, so I'm making flavored saffron milk today and I will store it in the fridge too. By the way, I have a video where I have shared 6 flavored milk recipes for kids and toddlers. You must check it out. I will provide a link for this one too. For protein, I will soak some lentils for a few hours in hot water, around 6 to 8 hours, and then transfer them to a storage container. I will use it as and when I need. Please note, I have observed rajma turn slimy, so wash them few times in cold water before storing them in the fridge. I will separate methi leaves before storing as it really saves time when it's time to cook, and it also extends the shelf life. The spinach that I bought was not too fresh, so I decided to blanch and puree it, and I will use it as soon as possible. As far as crisp compartment is concerned, I will layer it with a lining which prevents rottage. I like to store small vegetables together in this linen bag and rest of the veggies directly on the liner. I prefer storing tomatoes stem side down as it extends life by preventing them to turn soggy. These tomatoes are only for salads and we like them crisp and cold, so storing in the fridge. Now, so that I have all the prep done, it's time to finally arrange it all in the fridge. I will give you a fridge tour once I am ready. So tada! This is how my fridge looks. It's finally done, and let me show you each and every shelf. So on the top shelf, I have stored things that are not used that often, like condiments in Lazy Susan, so that I can just rotate the Lazy Susan and easily grab whatever I need. I also have dosa batter, yogurt, and different kinds of breads on this shelf. The middle shelf is mainly reserved for meal prepping. Everything that we prep today, like boiled potatoes, tomato puree, spinach puree, chopped sweet potatoes, soaked lentils, everything goes here, along with some fruits which I have stored in an acrylic fridge storage container. The bottom shelf is mainly reserved for leftovers and ready to eat items like gajar ka halwa, etc. This also has lemons here. I have a lot of space in door shelves now as I moved condiments in top shelf. I can now use this space to store snacking items like celery, baby carrots, cucumber, hummus, etc. I know the best spot to store milk is on the bottom shelf behind where it's coolest. But honestly, I have kept milk on door shelves since years now and I never had any issues of it going off. So I continue doing that. In crisp compartment, I have stored veggies and trust me, this crisp compartment liner is amazing. It seriously protects food freshness and keep them crispier for longer. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, so whatever products I have mentioned is just so that you know what I'm using. So that's everything that I have stored in the upper half of the fridge. Now let me take you to the bottom of the fridge. This section here is convertible. I can convert it to a fridge or a freezer or a chill compartment, which is cooler than fridge but not a deep freezer, somewhere in between. So let me show you what I have inside. I usually keep all sorts of dairy here, butter of different types, bocconcini cheese that we love in pizzas. In the drawer below, I have Laughing Cow cheese, which is the soft cheese. My kids love it with khakra, cheddar cheese block, halloumi cheese, cheese slices, and our Indian cottage cheese that is paneer. In the bottom shelf, I have some oranges, and on the door, I have some more condiments. I do not store a lot in deep freezer. Let me show you whatever little I have. On the top shelf, I have puff pastry. I can make sweet or savory pastries with this. In drawer below, I have frozen veggies like edamame beans, peas, etc. These are unopened packages. I transfer them to the door once they are open, just so that I know which ones are open, which ones are not, and also to stop spillages. At the bottom shelf, I have ice pack, and in the bottom drawer, I usually store ice creams, which we kind of have run out because it's been quite nice hot weather past few days and kids love eating ice creams. Anyways, that's all I have, guys. This was my fridge tour. I hope you enjoyed it and gained something out of this video. Please don't forget to share and like this video, and also don't forget to tune in next week. Bye for now.